In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vote for Pi Network, or any other project, on Binance Square using the community voting or vote-to-list mechanism. This process is not only straightforward, but also crucial for having a say in which projects you think should be listed. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to participate effectively in this voting process. The first step is to log into your Binance account. Before anything else, make sure that your account is verified. This verification step ensures that you can fully engage with Binance Square services without any hiccups along the way. Once logged in, you'll want to ensure that you have the required minimum balance in your Binance account. For instance, during past voting events like the Pi vote, you needed to maintain at least $5 worth of assets for the entire duration of the voting period. This balance acts as a kind of eligibility criterion, allowing you to cast your vote. Next, you'll need to find the official vote post on Binance Square. Head over to the Square section within Binance. Here, you'll be seeking out an announcement or official post with a title resembling Binance Opens Community Voting Will Pi Network List or Should PI Be Launched on Binance? Always make sure to confirm that this post originates from a verified source, such as Binance Square Official. This verification step prevents any accidental engagement with unofficial or possibly misleading content. Once you've located the official post, it's time to cast your vote. Within the post, you should see options available, typically something like yes or no for listing the Pi network. Carefully select the choice that aligns with your opinion. After casting your vote, be sure to submit it. Your vote is counted right at the point of submission, and do keep in mind that once submitted, votes generally cannot be changed. Furthermore, ensure not to withdraw your account balance below the required threshold of $5 or whatever the stated minimum might be during the voting period. Doing so could risk losing your eligibility, rendering your vote invalid. During or even after the voting period, keep an eye on updates regarding vote counts. These updates are sometimes shown live, offering you a real-time glimpse of how things are shaping up. Once the voting period concludes, Binance typically publishes the final tallied votes, often accompanied by comments on the potential next steps. However, it's essential to remember that these voting results are more of a guideline and not an absolute guarantee of any particular outcome. And there you have it. Just a few simple steps, and you're all set to participate in community voting on Binance Square. Thank you for tuning in, and happy voting!